Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is an aspect in Spring AOP and after returning advice. I've written a very simple example to demonstrate after returning advice. First of all, what is an aspect? An aspect is a common feature that's typically scattered across methods, classes, such that logging, security, auditing. I'll give you an example. I have a service layer class called hotel service IMP, which is used to add hotel and find hotel, something like that. And the intention is I want to log after calling this method. I want to have a logging framework to do something here. Say whenever I call this method, I want to do log some returned value or what is happening inside this. I want to log, but I don't want to club the real code of logging here. I want to separate the cross-cutting concern layer from my business layer. I want to repeat that statement. The goal of aspect-oriented programming is to separate the cross-cutting concern layer from the business layer. Okay, so this is my business layer and this is my cross-cutting layer. So aspect is nothing but a class which is marked as aspect and set of advices. So this is called as an advice, and it has point cut expression. Point cut expression is nothing but I have to inform the Spring framework where exactly the logging method has to be called. Okay, so I'm informing through point cut expression, and join point is the target method. What is the target method? I'll tell you. So internally how exactly it works. The Spring will create a proxy object and it will have a wrapper method. Okay, it will have a wrapper method, and that wrapper method will call the target method and the advice method. Okay, so it will call internally, it will create internally a wrapper method which will have our target method, then it will have our logging method. So it's clubbing two layers in a single method. So it's created by the proxy. So I'll run this program, I'll explain to you while debugging. Then before that, I want to just tell you about enable aspect J out of proxy. This is very important annotation which helps us to detect the aspect related annotations. Let me run this program in a debug mode so that you can see what's happening in the code. Now the Spring container is going to launch, and I want to just show you this hotel object. This hotel object is not a normal object, it's a proxy object created by the Spring, and it behind the scene it does a lot of things. So this is not the real method that we have written in the business layer. It's a wrapper method created by the Spring framework, but from there it will be calling our target method. So what's happening is here we created a proxy object. Spring created a proxy object, it created a wrapper method, and within the wrapper method we have our target method. Okay, then it will call our logging method framework by this concept. Okay, so now we have our return value, everything. So this is how after return something. Okay, here we are returning some value, string value. So that's where this after returning advice works. Hope this video is useful and informative. If you like this video,